How to reset the color settings of your Windows 11 computer. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can reset the color settings of your Windows 11 computer system. So if you're having or facing any issues with the color quality or the display output color from your monitor of your laptop or let's say the desktop computer, then this video is for you. So all you need to do is simply follow these easy steps very carefully. So in order to start, the first thing that we need to do is head on to the settings of our Windows 11 PC. So to head on to the settings, simply scroll your cursor towards the bottom, and when the taskbar appears, you need to right click onto this start button, and then you from this menu you can see this option of settings. So simply click onto this settings option and it will lead you to the settings of your Windows 11 computer. Now here inside the settings, the next thing that you need to do is click onto this system tab, which is the second option on the left hand side. Then once you are inside the system tab, you can see the display option that says monitors, brightness, night light and display profile as well. So simply click onto this display option, and then under the display option, you need to scroll down, and under the related settings, you can find the advanced display. This includes display information and refresh rate. So click onto this advanced display option, and here it will give you this particular card that shows you the information about your computer display. Now from here you can see this blue line that says display adapter properties for display 1. So if you have multiple displays, it might appear for display 2, display 3 as well, but since in most of the cases people only carry around a single display, so you need to click onto this option that is display adapter properties for display 1. So here you can see this dialog box appears, and now in this dialog box, you need to click onto this color management option. And then you need to click onto this color management option that says to adjust color management settings, click color management. So click the color management option, and here you can see another dialog box open. Now from here you need to click onto this advanced tab, and under the advanced tab you can see these options. So there is the display calibration first, so you can try clicking onto this calibrate display. If there are any issues, they might get fixed with your color management, and even if it does not fix the color management, it might fix some other issues like scale or let's say the resolution. And then you also have this option that says color settings are stored separately for each user. To make changes for new user and share printers, click change system defaults. So if you want to change the colors calibration settings, you need to click onto this change system default settings, and from here you can see the advanced tab again. So simply click onto this advanced tab again, and from here you can see this says use Windows display calibration. So you need to make sure that this is enabled, and then from here you need to click onto this calibrate display. So once you will click onto this calibrate display, you can see that it will show you this particular interface. Then from here you need to click onto the next button, and it says the display calibration uses a wide gamut color profile. The display color calibration will create a color profile with a conventional gamut which may be a poor fit for this display and result in distorted color appearance. Do you want to continue anyway? So if this warning appears to you, then you should not proceed, as my display currently supports a more wider gamut, that is the P3 gamut. So it is not advisable that you do this, but in your case, if this warning does not appear, you should proceed with the next step, and hopefully your will display color issue will be resolved. So let me just quickly cancel this particular step, and you can click onto this reload current calibrations. So simply click onto this. So currently I have not loaded any parameters, so it says the parameter is incorrect. So after you are done with all of these steps, you can simply close all of these dialog boxes, and hopefully your issue of color management will be resolved. And also make sure that in most of the cases it is actually the hardware that causes the issues instead of the actual software, so it is better to get some technical guidance from the technical experts of your manufacturer. So that's all for this video. If this video was any helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments if this video worked for you or not, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.